Namaste everyone, I am Vijay Jadhav from Maharashtra, India. This is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python, and this is a main file of my project, and this one is the readme file, this one is the test project file, requirement.txt file. I will show you the working of my final projects, so let's get started. So enter. So welcome to the weather app, and it has a main menu which has three options: current weather of city of your choice, second option is the current air quality of a city of choice, and third one is the exit from the program. Okay, so we will first see the first option, that is current weather of a city. So for that we enter one. It asking for a city name. We enter a New York. Okay, New York. So see, it has given the weather data of the city, that is New York. City name, country US, date, time, weather, mist. Okay, temperature, feels like a temperature, minimum temperature, maximum temperature, pressure, humidity, wind speed, visibility, sunrise, sunset. And now it's again asking if you want to search another city, type S. So we will type S. Okay, then again asking for a okay, now we will enter a wrong city name. Let's see whatever. Okay, it has given error message, city not found, please enter correct city. Okay, again we enter, we give wrong estimate, we say like this. Oh, oops, invalid input, please enter valid response. Okay, we enter valid response else. Now we enter, let's say like this, name. Okay, like this. Then also it has given a correct weather data of the city name, Pune, country India, and all the data. Like, okay, now it is again asking for if you want to search for another city, or you want to go back to the main menu. We want to go back to the main menu, so we enter no. So here we come back to the main menu. Now we will see the current air quality of city. So we enter 2. Let's say it asking for the city name, so we enter, let's say we enter London. Okay, London. Okay, it has given the air quality of the city London. So city name, state England, country, date, time, air quality. See, air quality is good, air quality is good, and all the other components. Here we give the wrong response like this. Oh, invalid input, we enter valid input, yes, and we enter invalid city name. So it's, oh, city not found, please enter correct city name. Okay, we enter yes, and correct city name, let's say Jammu. Okay, so it has given the date of city name Jammu, state Jammu and Kashmir, country India, date, time, air quality moderate, and all other information about the air quality of that city. Now we enter no to go back to the main menu. So we are at the main menu, we want to exit, so we enter 3. Now it's asking for, oh, write your suggestions, so we enter 1 and just enter. So please add new feature, namely weather map. Okay, so it giving thanking message, see, and saying that feel free to visit again. So this is the working of my final project, and I'm really thankful and feeling very proud to complete this CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python course with CS50. I'm really thankful to CS50 team. Thank you.